Hi, it's Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a KENWOOD 8021 DABS installed into a Tiguan. It's a French car, left-hand drive. As you can see here, it's lovely looking, fits really nice. It's got all the nice plush fascia. Oh, ignition is on with the door open. As you can see, all this actually works with all the steering wheel controls, factory steering wheel controls. I'll press that there. So this unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got a camera in and front dash cam input as well. If I was to put that into reverse, there we are. That's the factory Volkswagen camera as well, so that's all integrated into this installation. If you'd like to have this done in your Volkswagen Tiguan, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.